is Leslie Blank's first lesson on her guitar. She's a natural. Go ahead. Now y'all got it.
She is a natural. Alright, so you're playing your G chord right there, right? So what you do to remind yourself how to play that when I'm not here or when another guitar player's not here is you just write it down. So these are the strings going up and down, just like those. There's 6 of them, right? So there's a 6th, that's the fat string right here. And there's a 5th is the next one.
What do you mean
The
that?
4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd, and what's the last one? First, right, exactly.
One that's already made.
So that's what all these are right here.
What's it made out of?
And then the lines going this way, horizontal, like that, those are those metal bars right there. They're called frets. Yeah, so these things right here. So this is the 1st fret, 2nd fret, and
Shh, Emily.
3rd fret, right? 4th fret, 5th fret, etc. It goes all the way
Go
down.
watch TV.
Right?
Go watch TV.
So all I gotta do
Go have be
to tell you
quiet.
where to put your fingers, put a dot somewhere. So say, and this, I'm sorry, this top line right here, that's that plastic piece right here. Right? So that's like a little bowl thing. So if I put a dot right here, that's where you're gonna put your finger. So like here, for example, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And that's your G chord.
You don't need 2 pieces. You don't need anything.
So forget all this for a second up there. That dot's where you put your finger. Does that kind of make sense? Alright, so that's the 1st string right here, right? So sit over here, and then we count down the frets. So 1, 2, 3, and then dot's right above the 3rd fret. So that means right here. Alright? So here, let me quiz you. Let's see if you can figure this out, alright? So if I put a dot right
Come on,
here,
man. Trick or treat.
where's that?
Trick or treat. Come on, man. Trick or treat.
Yeah, good job. So it's 1st fret, 1st string. Good job, exactly. And chords use lots of notes, so sometimes there'll be tons of dots on here. But you don't gotta worry about that now. We're just using 1 for now. Alright, so that's your G chord. And your G chord was these 3 strings, right? Alright, so we're gonna write an X over every string we don't use. So we over X over all those
Hey,
strings.
be
Alright?
quiet. I'm filming.
And then the circles mean the exact opposite. It means you're just playing an open string. Like you're doing, right? So those are both open and you're using the 3rd finger right there. Does that make sense? You got any questions? No? Alright, cool. So let me write you a chord. You already know this chord. It's your C chord. But I'm going to write it down and see if you can get it from my writing here. If you need help, just tell me. Alright, give it a try. Yep. You got it. Now what notes are you going to play? Give it a strum. Yeah. You got it. You just want to hit all the notes, but you're doing it right. You just got to hit all of them. Yeah, you got it. And remember that little mouse thing I was telling you about? Just make a bunch of space right here. You don't want to touch the other strings. So you want to hit that with your fingertip. You don't want to hit the other strings. Alright, try it again. Just make sure you're not touching this string. Yeah, you got it. That was much better. So that's this chord right here. That's how you see it on the chord chart. And you did it perfectly. You found the right note and everything.
All
And this
right.
finger pick.
Great.
Make sure you're pointing the little pointer piece at that. That makes it a lot easier. Try it again. The finger pick right there. Yeah, you got it. And don't forget, you want lots of space right here. So that way, feel how that's hitting your finger a little bit? So you want to use more of your fingertip, maybe more space. Now try it. Now it's free. Yeah, harder, harder. It's not going to hurt it. Hard as you want. There you go. That's much better. Nice. Alright, so that's good. So you got the C chord down, you got the G, and then the other one was E minor. I'm going to write it down so you can find it. Alright. So E minor is going to look like this. Alright, give that a try. You're close, real close. Just gotta think about what string that's on. Real close. So what fret's this on right here? I think you figured that out.
The 2nd.
Right? 2nd fret. Alright, now how about what string it's on. This is the first string, second string, third string, and fourth string, right? So where's the fourth string on the guitar? Yeah, there you go. So second fret, fourth string. And then this number up here tells you what finger to use. So it's saying use your second. So go ahead and switch to your second finger. There you go. There you go. And then play these 4 notes right here. There you go, you got it. And again, don't be afraid to hit it harder. You can hit it. There you go. Just strum all the way through. Like that. And carefully the other fingers don't touch. Keep lots of space right there, lots of space. Now try it again. Ah, that's better. That's better. Hold that down a little harder and try it one more time. All the way down. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
That's it.
That's awesome. Alright, so you got these 3 chords down. Now all you need is a guitar to play on and you'll be rocking in no time. Alright, don't pay attention to this, I screwed up. Alright, this is all yours. And I got a folder for you if you want a folder to keep all your stuff in. That sound good? Somewhere. Alright. So what I'm going to do every time I'm here, I don't know how often I'll be here. Once a month, once a week or something.
Right
We'll
now,
figure that out.
we're gonna have to go. That was her dad that I talked to. That's